How to delete your MetaTrader 5 account. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you have created your demo account for MetaTrader 5, but you no longer want that account, then here is the perfect tutorial. First of all, tap open and log into your MetaTrader account, and then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left. On the top, you will see manage accounts. Tap on it, and here you can see the account that you have created. Now tap on the three dots which is on the top right. Tap on delete account and tap on yes on the confirmation box. And this way you will see that the account will be deleted. Now if you want to add any account, you have to tap on the plus button which is right left to the three dots that you clicked before. And this way you can add your new account as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.